What's up, guys? Not much difference at all. We'll just feed our eyes. I want to see.
Is that thing sharp?
So what?
That thing is sharp.
Yeah. I want to see.
Wait till you see this. Red leather.
Yeah. Oh man. Those swings.
This thing got sport mode. You got all types.
Yeah,
of modes.
I got all those stuff. Yeah.
You got all-wheel drive.
Yeah, I got it.
You have the captain's chairs back there too.
Captain, yeah.
Wow.
I got it. Yeah. Same, man. So sweet, man.
Big screen, wireless charging. Oh yeah.
Wow. Oh, the screen is. Oh wow. Oh, I see.
Isn't that thing huge?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That thing is tough. Look at that with like the carbon fiber.
Yeah. Man, I made
that
it.
thing is slick.
I would have been patient to have this for myself because this was what I want. Yeah.
Nice big sunroof.
Yeah.
Sure.
Man.
JBL speakers all the way around too.
Can you turn it on? I want to see
Sure,
how.
hop in.
Yeah. Wow.
See what this screen looks like.
Yeah, I want that. Wow. So wide. Wow. Wow.
It might not let. Oh,
Wow.
leather wrapped steering wheel. This thing is
Wow.
gorgeous. Let's see if I can.
Wow. I told her I need the 2023, but I just don't know why she gave me 2022. Man, what is her name? She's no more here.
Dom.
No, what is that? The African American. She still sits right here.
Dom.
Is it Dom?
Dom. The woman who used to work here?
Yeah, yeah. I requested for 2023.
You said 2023.
Yes.
She gave you 22.
Yes. And I never, when the very day she called me to come pick up my vehicle, I thought it was the 2023.
She never told you?
Yeah. Upon arrival, I did all documentation, did all paperwork. I got to know that it was 2022 too.
Wow. I have heard, I have not heard any good things about her.
It was 20. Now, you see, I told her I need 2023.
Wow.
You understand? I told her I was...
Very clear.
I'm going to...
Very
Yes,
clear.
yes.
Wow.
You understand? Now, she gave me 2022. And when I knew it was 2022,
Yeah.
it was almost... I was almost done with the paperwork.
It was like too late.
Yes.
And you come in, nice customer, you got money ready and everything, and she wasn't even honest with you.
Yes.
That's too bad.
Man, but you know, I know in maybe a couple of years, 2-3 years, I'm gonna be when I'm done with this shit, I'm gonna get a newer model. But this time around, I'm gonna be very much careful, man. You know,
Very clear. Yep.
man, so sweet.
At least you still got a really nice car. You know what I mean?
Sure, I do, guys. See my machine, the same as mine with mine. You know, but this one now is 2023. The difference between this one and mine is the white screen. You understand? So, Sam, the white screen, mine is not as wide as this. That is the beauty. But everything heated seat is the same. So, if you have interest in want to buy it, just hit me up, okay? You understand? So, this is 2023. For those who get the money. Same, you know? I sell cars, you know, so I'm just making a video for my customers that might be interested so I can hit you up.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I sell cars too. Yeah.
Thank you. And I'll be honest with you. If it's a 23, I'm telling you it's a 23.
Can I have your card?
Yes, sir.
Give me your card. Yeah, so whenever I have a request for a brand new car, I give you a call.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. Any of your friends or anything like that? Totally.
That's it, man. So
I don't got time to rip people off.
Man,
you know what I mean?
What I needed was 2023. I never knew that this was 2022.
Wow.
So I did the paperwork and that's it, man. I can go back.
Hey, get out of the rain real quick. I'll run inside and grab you some cards.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'll be out in a second.
Okay. Guys. See, that's the difference. Don't get wide screen. It has a wider screen. You know, but almost the seat, everything the same. You know, so what we go do? We don't buy, so we don't buy. No going back. No going back. The same thing. Same shape. You know, it's the same shape. Yeah, point. So, but we don't buy, so we don't buy. No, now that one my idea. That one my idea. See, that one is same. Ah, no. See, now can you do it again? Make a upgrade. Chebi, I gotta show you guys again. For those who get money for new cars, if you have money for new cars too, if you have money for new cars, this other one too, now 2023, but you see the shape. You understand? The shape, it has a different shape. This one on a hybrid. This one a hybrid. This one too a hybrid. You understand? For those who get money for brand new car. So for the fact say they see me with salvage car does not mean say we, you know, that is what we want to do, but we go according to people's requests and pockets. Are you with me? So that's so. See the Venza too. This one 2023 Venza. Those who get passion for Venza. You understand? This one 2023 Venza. See the newer Venza. You see it? This is Venza here. 2023. Toyota Venza. That is it. This is it. You see it? Toyota Venza. Toyota Venza. So if you have passion for Venza, you just give me a call, okay? You understand? So that's it. See the back. I want to show you the back. The interior. See? So sweet.
3 rows.
3 rows. Yeah, mine is 3 rows seats. Mine is 3 rows seats. Yeah. See? Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, on the back of that first card right there, I wrote my personal number down.
Got you.
If you anything you need,
Yeah.
give me a text.
My company name is Demso Auto.
Okay.
Demso. So whenever I call you, you know it's me.
Okay, let me look that up.
Demso. DEMSOL.
Auto?
Yeah. That's me.
Got you, brother. Good stuff. I like it, man.
Yeah. So guys, I beg, it's raining here. I just want to make a short video. You understand? Just to show you guys. So for those who get money for brand new, we need brand new stuff. You understand? So I can also get you brand new stuff. This is where I bought my office. You understand? So when the day I purchased my office, I made a video and I showed to you guys. You understand? So that is it. So that is the professor. So thank you, man.
Looks like the guy I like, my man.
Yeah, man.
Stay safe.
You too. Yeah, also a Tundra. So also the 2023 Tundra. You see it? Tundra. If you need something good, that is it. For those who get money. You see it, 4x4. Use Tundra. Yes, Tundra. 2023 model. Yes, 2023 model. Now that one I need when I listen. That one. All the same. Car na car, moto na moto. So that is just it. Guys, I want to go. No, don't ask me how much here, boss. If you want to do business, you chat me private. People when they ask me how much in the open, I see them as unserious. That's why they ignore them. You know, so that's why they ignore you, because anybody they chat me in the open how much is unserious, not a serious customer. A very serious minded customer go chat you private. Ask you say, this one, how much should be this car? In a private. So I beg. That's why they ignore those who they come out for comment section, they ask me how much. don't come and ask me how much in the open, okay? You want to do business, you chat me private. You understand? Also, this one also is your Camry. You understand? 2023. Now it's a gas with cars. You understand? The gas with cars. I'll be 2023 or 2022. But since we are not ready to buy yet, so no point say with the test drive. You understand? Because these are new cars. No point say with the test drive any car here. Except say we're ready to buy. Are you with me? So that is just it. So I have to go. You know. So that's that on that, guys. I'm gonna end it here. So take care. It's raining here. You know, see my body all wet. So let's take care. Bye for now. For those who want to see my face. Bye bye.